In this new activity, I will give you a challenge which will make you practice on everything you have seen until now. Variables, functions, scope, conditions, loops, and arrays. Here is what you have to do. You have to create a program that will go through a list of integers and will compute the max value inside the array. And then you print this max value. So I'm going just to give you the beginning of the program. So let's say you can have a number list. You initialize that list with some values. So integer values, for example, 3, 5, 78, minus 7, and 45. Then I'm going to add max value. As you can see, if you just use max here, you have a new color here, which means that you probably should avoid using that because it's maybe a keyword that is used for something else. Okay, so try not to use already existing keywords. So let's name it max value, initialize to 0. Okay, and then it's your turn. So you will have to go through this list, okay, and compute the max value. So you will have to use conditions, you will have to use for loops to go through this list, you will have to use conditions to actually compare the values with the max value, and then put the max value inside that variable. So what you can do as a first step is to write the code to compute the max value just here, okay, on the following lines. And as a second step, you can actually create a function dedicated to that functionality. So the code you have here, you will put that inside a function, and you will call that function from your main program here. All right, and I will see you in the next lesson for this solution.